Hi everyone, I'm going to be showing you how to make the rectangular mask with pleats. For that we need two pieces of fabric with 9 by 6 dimensions. So I have a denim and a flannel. In my opinion, I feel that this has the best filtration. And then I have two pieces of elastic, 7 inches each, some dot pins. Okay, let's get started. So you have to take your fabric, the right side, the good side will face each other. Let's go to the sewing machine. Remember, when you start stitching your thread, the one which is in the needle and which comes from the bobbin, it goes under the foot and behind the foot. And then your seam allowance shouldn't be more than 1/4 of an inch. Okay, bring your needle down. Let's get started. Stop. Go back. Press the reverse button. This will help you to make a knot. Okay. The other side, do the same thing. Remember to put your thread behind the foot. Then get started. Stop. Go back. Snip off all the extra pieces. You can either use a scissor or use the blade which you have in your sewing machine. Okay, now the time to inside out. Turn it inside out. Now you have it like this. So now go ahead and take the edge and make a pleat like this. By doing this, now we are giving it a crease so it stays well. Makes it easy for you to stitch. Otherwise, if you have an iron handy, you can always iron it. This is a good time where you can use your kids to help you. Okay, done. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead from here, fold 1/4 of an inch. Yeah, about 1/4 of an inch, like a pocket. Goes in. You have it like this. Again, fold it, press it hard, you have the crease. So it's easy for you to stitch. Do the same thing to the other side. Okay, now you have this. Okay, now for the pleat. Up to you if you want to make 2 pleats or 3 pleats. I usually make 2. So you will go ahead and make your pleats. I'm going to add a pin today. Usually I don't. Make sure when you fold, the pleats don't go under each other, because then it will be too thick and then it's going to be difficult for you to stitch. Okay, do the same thing to the other side. Remember to keep the folds aligned. You can see that I'm eyeballing the pleats. If you want, you can pre-measure them and mark the dots. Remember, the pleats should not go over each other. Okay, you have the pin. Okay, now it's the time to stitch. Get your elastic, push it through 1/4 of an inch. Okay, let's get started. Okay, now always remember, when you are stitching over the elastic, stop and go back. Remove the pin. Okay. Take the elastic. Go back over the elastic. So remember, you should have at least 3 stitches on top of the elastic. This makes sure that your elastic is secured well. Okay. Okay, when you are ending, make sure you just go back. Just 2 stitches is enough. Come back and finish. So again, we do that step to make a knot so the thread does not come off. Make sure all the loose ends are snipped off. You have your mask. Hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more how-to videos.